morning and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel Jones, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney. Now, Australian shares are poised to rise again this morning after Wall Street started the week on a strong note. While tonight's August US consumer price data is expected to show that inflation is slowly easing. The latest ASX futures indicate that the benchmark ASX 200 would open 41 points higher, that's 0.6% higher. Yesterday, the ASX 200 closed 1% higher at 6,964. The benchmark hit its highest in more than a week yesterday. Moving on to some business news from this morning now, and toll road company Atlas Arteria has entered into an agreement to acquire a 66.67% majority interest in the Chicago Skyway. This is a 12.5 kilometre toll road with 81 years of remaining concession life that provides congestion relief in an essential transportation corridor. The acquisition established a partnership with Ontario Teachers Pension Plan, which is retaining its 33.33% interest in the Chicago Skyway. It represents an equity value of $2.01 billion US. And Mercury, New Zealand has confirmed a new wind farm at Kaiwera Downs in New Zealand. The 43 megawatt wind farm will cost $115 million and lifts Mercury's total commitment to new renewable wind generation to almost $600 million since 2019. The 10 turbines to be constructed as stage one of the Kaiwera Downs wind farm will add enough renewable power to run 66,000 electric vehicles. And Bellevue Gold has announced that its project with RUC Cementation Mining Contractors continues to proceed to plan. The contract is valued at $15.8 million over 28 months. The scope of works centres around the establishment of vent rises, return air rises and underground escapeways at the Bellevue Gold project. RUC, which is a subsidiary of the Murray and Roberts Group, is a multinational engineering and contracting company. Well, it's time for a short break now, but stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
If you're looking to keep abreast of the biggest stories from the crypto world, the fate of exchanges and crypto hedge funds during the ongoing bear market, and you're wanting to keep up to date with the best and worst performers in the altcoin space and that of flagship currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, then Kalkine Media's Daily Crypto Catch is absolutely essential viewing for you. Tune in each afternoon right here on Kalkine Media to get the latest scoop from Anchor to ZeroCoin.
Welcome back to the ASX Breakfast Report. In the US, the Dow Jones rose 0.7%, the S&P 500 gained 1.1%, and the Nasdaq was up 1.3%. In Europe, the Stoxx 50 rose 2.1%, the FTSE was up 1.7%, the CAC gained 2%, and the DAX was up 2.4%. The MSCI's gauge of stocks across the globe was up 1.26%. Oil prices closed high yesterday, shaking off expectations for weaker demand as concerns about the supply mounted heading into winter. WTI crude closed 99 US cents higher at $87.78 per barrel. Brent finished at 94 US dollars, that's up 1.25%, or $1.16 on the day. Gold prices rose almost 1% and silver gained over 5% yesterday, and that was buoyed by a weaker dollar, while investors awaited key inflation data for cues on the pace of interest rate hikes by the US Central Bank. US gold futures were up 0.67% to $1,728 US an ounce. Well, that's all for our ASX at Breakfast Report this morning here at Kalkine TV. Have a great day trading. Stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.